This is another free tool. It is called Luggage Tags Maker. And in this tool, you get to generate multiple tags like this. Luggage tags is very important. It tells you whether your bag is going. If you lose your suitcase on airport, having a proper luggage tag can help you identify your own suitcase, and it can easily be returned to you. To start, simply hit the Fill Example button. It will populate all these input fields with certain examples. And then you adjust these input fields like these. And there is a front side. There is a back side. On the back side, name, owner, phone number, email ID, everything is written. You can also print this, and your company name can be given here. This can be useful if you are some airline service provider, and that will help you. And if you are some tourist company, you can take the help of this tool and accumulate the things like Bali 26 and other kind of luggage tags. And you can also put your company logo by this logo button. You choose a file, or you can put the URL. Let me show you through a URL logo. And that is put over here. The logo is put in some template. Some template don't support, so you will not see that everywhere. And you can also convert it into a landscape like this one. And backside is also adjusted accordingly. You can generate it in the bulk. For example, currently for Alex, the 2 tags will be generated. For Sam, 2 tags will be generated. You adjust these values based on your needs. Right, 1 by 1 for each one. Number of tags you want, your phone number, and every single parameters can adjusted via this input field. And if you are not happy with this input field, you can import a CSV designed in your Microsoft Excel or Google spreadsheet. To get the example of CSV, download the sample CSV button that will have complete this input fields. Be populated, and you adjust them. You adjust copies. You adjust phone email destination button to address, and then import that from this button. Once you are done, simply download it as PDF. You can change the PDF paper size from US letter to A4, and you can also adjust this tag size. As you can see, this is getting adjusted. You can also download it as PNG file. And when you do that, it will be PNG, and you have to cut each one by one. I think I covered everything. Yes, you can also adjust the color scheme of these things. You can also put custom colors like this one. You can also adjust the font to a new font by clicking this button and hitting these fonts based on your desire. And once you are done, hit the download button. That's all. By the way, I'm building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization, so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which Pinterest board these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.